Kedor Bartlang jong ke HEDC hakasngi balang kalarai ban phah shwa shaka select committee ya khasi inheritance of property bill. Ya kini ke select committee kaban bishar bniah shuh halor kate ke bill kabadai na kabentaban pentikna bagi khun shynrang ru kideban yo lang ya ka bhah ne kikimi kikpa enkle hi da UCM ka HEDC uba titos khan kum chairman.
The objective of the bill is only to streamline the customary practice, how we inherit the property, whether it is self-acquired property or the ancestors' property, to among the children, among the siblings, equally from their parents. So, because the usual practice is that it's different. I am from Wa. My system is different. I got same share as my sister got. We usually distribute among all the children, even brother and sisters. But it's different with other sub-tribe, like the Karyam or like the Boy or like Lengam. There's a different practice. So at least we would like to streamline little bit. But as I have mentioned, this is not mandatory. Everything it depends on the will. And the will of the parents. If they are willing to share all the property, then depends on them. That means it gives chance for those parents who are willing. You see, now is a legislation that the parents who are willing to share all the property, if they have more property, if they can share among all the children. So that is the spirit of this bill. I feel, as a leader of the house, as a leader of the executive committee, it is my duty to make laws, or the executive committee is the duty to make laws. So it is a process that any law, any bill should be tabled in the floor of the house. So after we table the bill, there's another process that all the members got a chance to bring any amendment, or like what we have done today, to refer to the select committee. So after we refer to the select committee, it will give a chance for public opinion also. So that's why I didn't feel that we should at the first instance to give for public opinion. You see, why we refer this bill to the select committee. The first reason is that because the short notice of the copy of the bill to all the members, because I'm surprised because the bill was circulated on Monday. So actually we have circulated since last week, but I don't know, due to some reason, I think. So the members have received the copy of the bill only on Monday. So it is a good point. It's a good reason that the members have not get time to study carefully the bill, to go through the bill. So I feel it's better to give some more time for the members to go through for the bill. Secondly, this is a very important bill because it's related with the custom, the usual practice, the usual customary practice of our people, the Khasi people. So I feel I would like not to rush to pass this bill at this juncture. It will give a chance for the select committee to get the opinion of all the stakeholders, especially the elders, especially the legal advice, and even the social organization who are concerned with our customary law. So that's why I decided in the House that this bill should be referred to a select committee.